Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll guide you through the simple process of setting up notifications in your account portal. Whether you want to stay updated on account activities or receive alerts for important events, this tutorial is for you. So firstly, you need to log into your account portal and we can get access to your home page. Once you've logged into your home page, you can see over in the top right hand corner there is a blue bell symbol. If I click on the blue bell symbol, this is going to open up your notifications and your notification options. So I'm going to hit the blue bell symbol now. And you can see this has opened up my notification options. On the right hand side, we've got a notification settings highlighted in blue. And on the left, this is where all your current notifications are going to be listed. So if I click on notification settings, you can see here we've opened up the settings menu. Across the top, we've got three options: settings, price alerts, delivery options. In your settings, you can see listed below, there's numerous default notifications, which you can turn on and off by simply clicking on the blue slider to the right hand side. Price alerts in the middle, delivery options on the right hand side. So if I click on delivery options, and you can see here, I've entered my email address because I wanted my notifications to be sent to my email. I've entered my email address in here, made sure my blue slider is clicked to the right, and always making sure after I've made any changes to my notifications, I'm hitting the done button in the top right hand corner to make sure everything gets saved. So I'm going to click on done. If you want to return back into your settings, you can see on the left-hand side, we've got a settings option highlighted in blue. I'm going to click that. That brings me back to my settings. And in the middle here, you can see we've got price alerts. So I'm going to click on price alerts. And this opens up your option to enter a symbol or code for a stock that you may like to get a notification about. So I'm going to enter a code now. Once I've entered in required stock, you can see it's gone into the list underneath. And on the right hand side here, we've got the option to be able to enter a target price of which you'd like to get notified of when that certain stock hits that price. So I'm going to enter a price now. Once I've entered a price, always making sure to click on the done button in the top right hand corner. Back to my settings on the left hand side. And if I go back into my price alerts, you can see now this is the stock that I've just entered. And once that stock hits that target price that we've entered, we will receive a notification in our email to let us know. And that is basically it. It's quite a simple, easy process. If you want to return to your home screen once you're finished in here, just click on the home option on the left-hand side, like so. And there you have it. Setting up notifications in your account portal is quite a quick and easy process. Now you can stay informed about important updates and events. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content or hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.